100,000 followers. I can't believe we did it. And I promised you guys the ugly dance. Here goes. That was embarrassing, guys. Admit that was embarrassing. But I wanted to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for being such loyal, such kind members of this community. I couldn't have done it without you. I thank the powers that be that brought you into my life. And I've had such an incredible 4-year run doing this channel and helping some of you transform your homes, transform your surroundings, and hoping that I've had a little bit of impact in making you feel better. And that's the idea behind this channel. This channel is about beautifying your environment, which also clears your brain. It allows you to think better. It gives you the space to breathe in your home and to appreciate the finer things. Today, we are going to dive into something that's really fun, and that's about holiday decor. Why? Because we're in the midst of holiday times, and nothing brings more joy to an interior designer than decorating. And I want to make sure that it's affordable, because we don't have to go over and above to create a very over and above chic decor ambiance. This video could not have come at a better time, because I am going to be decorating my home for the holidays, and these are some of the items that are in my cart that I will be purchasing, and then later you'll get to see them in my home. And this year I've decided to do something a little more interesting. I'm going to go very deep and very dark into my design, and I always change it up a little bit every year, mostly because of this channel. I can't just show you guys the same thing over and over. But if you already have decor, that's fine. You can certainly reuse, but if you want to give yourself just a little bit of an update, you can use some of the things you already have and incorporate some of these new ones. So let's start with tree decor, my favorite part of the holidays. It's a big undertaking bringing in a real tree, but I love the smell and I love torturing my husband. Yes, because he's the one who's going to be like, Nina, why does it have to be so big? I love big, big, big trees, which means lots of decor. And this is why I am sharing these beautiful Amazon decor items that you're gonna love. So let's start with the absolutely stunning velvet ornament clusters. They're $12. Like, we are so excited about these. They're made of this incredibly rich, high quality velvet that has this beautiful sheen to it. And what makes it special is that they're clustered together in varying sizes so that you can have different negative space in your tree. Not everything has to be so perfect. I also found this 15-piece set. It's a little bit more expensive than I would have liked, but you are getting 15 pieces for $41. It is a splurge, but the impact they make is amazing. Now, my absolute favorite item to put on a tree that I have been putting on for years and years, those of you who have been following me know this, and they're icicles. So every year I buy the ones from Department 56, and this year they were nowhere to be found, and I have a ton of them. So I will be repurposing mine, but I try to find something similar to the ones that I like. I like them to look like teardrops. I like them to be glass if possible. And I found these for you. It's a set of 12 for $60, and they're a little bit on the pricey side, but they're magical. Each one is handcrafted glass. So the difference between using glass and using, some kind of plastic is huge. The light will not shine beautifully through plastic, but it will shine beautifully through glass or crystal. That's why it's really important to get glass ones. And these you will use over and over again, divided by the amount of years you have left to celebrate the holidays. These are a definite must. Now let's talk about ribbon. Ribbon has such an impact on the holidays. Really, it's the secret to making everything look very, very high end. You can put them on your candlesticks, you can put them on your tree even, you can put them on your wrappings. And to me, this year, I'm going full velvet. I am obsessed with oxblood. I am obsessed with burgundy, as you guys know. I can't get it out of my head. I have like 9 burgundy sweaters right now. And for $9.99, you get 2 rolls and you get 20 yards total, which is a very good amount of ribbon. And they're 3/8 of an inch wide, which is almost the perfect width, because you don't want to go oversized. I feel like that's really kind of 80s and dated. These are a little bit thinner, a little bit more buttoned up, a little bit more chic. They're delicate and they are great for gifts, and they're great around the house if you want to tie your wreath to your door, or if you want to even add a bow to your wreath. There's so many great things you can do with these, and you can get them in other colors. You don't have to go oxblood like me. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more dramatic, and I know some of you guys have to have it, then you could do a satin wired, and that would have to be something that's very purposeful. So if you want to take maybe 3 or 4 of your presents that are under the tree and put, this ornate, oversized ribbon mixed in with the simpler ones, that's one way to do it. And these are 2.5 inches wide. So that is super wide, and they are $13.99 for 10 yards. That is a steal. That's probably the best ribbon for your money that you can get. And I prefer the larger wired ones for your wreath because they can keep their shape, and they also look great even for your mistletoe that you're going to be hanging somewhere. Now, ribbons are so important that I had to dive in deep, and for a really versatile option, this Latourop velvet ribbon for $7.99 for 10 yards is a must. Now, this is in between. This is 1.5 inches. So this is also a very great option, and it comes in these beautiful, rich colors. I am thinking of doing, and I haven't decided quite yet, so you're just gonna have to tune in to my Instagram. By the way, here's my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of really good content that never shows up on YouTube. So make sure and follow on Instagram. But I think I'm gonna be doing a variety, like an ombre shade, I believe, but you'll see soon enough. And what you can do is you can certainly pick 3 colors that are within the same family, like the rust, the mocha, the chocolate, and get your wrapping paper and kind of create this sort of ombre vibe for your tree. I think that would be very, very chic. And you can really use these sort of neutral, soft colors to have a different kind of a holiday. Now, I love wrapping my gifts in craft paper. I'm sure you guys have seen this. This has been a pseudo trend for a few years, but what I haven't seen done is this done with very, very rich sort of velvet ribbons. I've seen it done with craft sort of ribbons, or with some kind of sisal ribbon, but it would be kind of fun to do the high-low. So you've got your low craft paper, and then you've got your high ribbon. So this would also be very, very chic to do, and craft paper is inexpensive. So go ahead, wrap every present on the planet that you have and put them under the tree. This is also sustainable, which I really like. We don't want to have so much waste during the holidays, and the natural minimalist look to me is really, really nice. It's recycled paper. The large roll sizes will give you ample material to do the big presents for, your kids, your nephews, your grandchildren, whatever it may be, and they coordinate beautifully with the variety of velvet ribbons or satin ribbons we just looked at. I should also say that this wrapping paper is $27, and there's another option that I've linked for you guys, which is a little bit less at $20, but these rolls are going to last. So I use this exact paper, but in a different color for a client, and I don't know how many boxes we wrapped, a ton, and we still had a ton left over. So that you're getting a lot of value for your money, and these are long rolls that cover a lot of square footage. We have so many more holiday and interesting items for you guys to look at, but we can't have this video go on and on. So if you're interested in finding out more about what holiday decor we approve of and what to do in your home for the holidays, make sure and register and subscribe to our Substack. Our Substack newsletters come out every Thursday, where we have suggestions of items that we are recommending at the moment, whether it be from Amazon, whether it's outfits. And speaking of outfits, since so many of you ask, I'm going to give you a quick brief as to what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this gorgeous sweater that I'm obsessed with. In fact, I think I'm going to be buying it in every color. So when I like something, I tend to buy it in every color. It cinches you at the waist, so it gives you a nice shape, and it is the right length. It's got the beautiful shoulders, the épaules, and I'm wearing these brand new jeans that are beyond comfortable. They almost feel like PJs from Mother. My shoes are from Kate, and I'm sporting a little Laura Piana bag with it. All of these items will be linked in the description section so you can check them out. Okay, so what to do with the ugly stem of the tree and your water bowl, etc. There's something new other than the ubiquitous blanket that people throw, you know, the tree skirt that people have. There's something called the rattan tree collar, and it's a really interesting and different way to do it, and I'm loving this, so I had to share it with you. It's 27 inches wide, which is plenty big because the stem of each tree, no matter how big your tree is never going to be that wide. And it's perfect for probably my 8 or 9 foot tree that I will be getting. It's a warm, natural look. It's got the woven rattan. This is going to look great with the wrapping paper we just talked about in Kraft. And even if you don't have Kraft paper, this always looks very, very clean because if your floors are oak like mine, this will match beautifully. Also at $44.99, this is, in my opinion, a great purchase because I know the tree skirts are always in that range anyway, and they could probably be closer to the $60 range, so I think this is a must. Now, there's another one that is even less expensive and even cuter. So I think I'm gonna go for the scalloped, but it's the same idea. It's a tree collar, but it has a scalloped edge, and it adds a lot of visual interest and complements sort of your rustic decor, or even if you don't have rustic decor, I just love how this looks. And at $30, it's on sale, it's affordable, and it's going to elevate your tree. Stockings, I love them. I love having them in the home, and I love changing them up as well because each year I have a different theme, I have a different color. So what I love about these stockings are that they come in these colorways that look really great together. You've got the rich brown with the deep green and the warm beige. And what's great about these is that it has a name plaque in wood that you can customize and put the names of your family members on them. And they're only $26 for a set of 3. Here's another set of 3. It's a soft beige velvet that has depth. So if you want to do something that's very neutral and of course timeless, you can have a set of 3. This beautiful set is very plush. It has texture and it looks like great quality. So for $25, they're an investment for your holiday aesthetic. You can use them over and over, and I love these. And you can even embroider them with names on them. I've done that where I take it to a monogram shop and we monogram them. Here are some tabletop decor options that could elevate your holiday displays. So the Creative Co-op, which I love, has these metal candle holders with jingle bell bases on them. I mean, how cute, $21.99. It's a standout piece crafted from solid metal with an antique brass finish. So this is really, really beautiful. And you can put them in your foyer table if you have one, or your entrance table. And they have a festive little jingle bell detail at the base, which is very, very pretty. And it creates the ambiance. You could even put them on your mantle. They're just lovely. Now, for a refined and elegant look, consider the tea light candle holder. So we love tapered glass candle stick holders. We love votives. We love tea lights. We love anything that has to do with candles. And the more candles in your home during the holidays, the better your home looks. And this holder set is $26.39 after the 20% off. Holy moly, I have these. I had to have them. I just used them. They are a perfection. So they're little tea light candle holders and they fit your tapered candlestick. So just get your standard candlesticks and you'll stick them in these variety of sort of candle holders, and they are so chic. They're glass and they look very expensive, and they're only $26.39 after the 20 off discount. So hopefully you can get these in time with the discount. They are gorgeous, gorgeous. You will not be disappointed. You can use them around the house. You can use them on your dinner table for the holidays. And I'm going to be using them for my Thanksgiving table, which I'll be sharing with you on Instagram. So don't forget to check them out. Now, if you are stuck as to how to even decorate your tree at home, or how to do holiday decor, or how to do your furniture placement, it doesn't have to be about the holidays. It can be about furniture design, paint colors, whatever you are stuck on. I'm available for a Zoom. I have met so many of you, so much so that my calendar was completely booked solid. So you guys might have to get make an appointment for a little further out, but I am here and I can't wait to meet you. All you have to do is click the link in my description section, and next thing you know, my calendar pops up and we can have as little as a 25-minute call on Zoom, and you can share all of your dilemmas with me because I'm here to give you solutions. Now, what I did with my Thanksgiving table, which I will be redoing probably for my holiday table, is our red candlesticks. So they're a deep, rich, sort of burgundy oxblood color. Shocking. I'm tired of the cream candlestick, so I am now using the burgundy. I think they're wonderful. They're great for Thanksgiving. They're great for the holidays, and the color is wonderful. They're actually really good in quality. I've touched them. I've used them. I love them. They're $21.99 for, I believe, 14 of them. So that's good. And they are long lasting. They create a beautiful atmosphere, and they're just a little bit different so that you can have that aha moment. How adorable are these place card holders? You guys know I have a thing for place cards. So I love having seat assignments. If you're having people over for the holidays, I absolutely encourage you to do seat assignments and separate the people that come together. There's nothing worse than when people just sit together, couples sit together, and what's the point? You're coming to somebody's house. I want you to separate everybody. I want you to put man, woman, if you like, so that it's not, you know, just girl chatter or boy chatter or whatever. Mix it up and put people together that maybe don't even know each other. If everybody knows each other, put them next to somebody they barely speak to. So this will make for interesting talk, and this will make for a much more interesting holiday event. Now, use these gorgeous little name cards. They are very, very sweet because they mimic these metal bells that you have during the holidays. They're very festive. They have an antique brass finish, which you know I approve of, and they evoke the spirit of the season. They're a subtle nod to the holidays without just being overtly holiday, which is what I love. I love referencing the holidays without being overt. I think that's what makes a very chic holiday, and it's very thoughtful. It's very personalized, and at $25 for a set of 4, they are a great option. I want to take this moment though to really thank each and every one of you for being a member of this channel. I'm not saying it just because, but I'm saying it because it really is a true gratitude that I feel. I feel tremendously grateful to have you in my lives. I have met so many of you recently because of these online Zoom calls, which has been really sweet and wonderful. And each and every one of you has a different story as to how you met me and why you gravitated towards my channel and to me. And that just validates everything that I do on a daily basis. And it brings me so much joy to know that I am able to connect with you, even though you're out there and I don't know you personally. I love you guys. I appreciate you. I can't wait to make this channel better and better and better each and every day, have better content for you. So thanks again, and make sure and let me know which item of these Amazon items for the holiday you are planning on getting, or which item you think is fun, or am I missing something that you guys are using for the holidays? I'd love to hear from you. I love you guys. Happy holidays, and we'll see you next week.